Welcome back to Time to RV. Today I'm going to be sharing our review of the Sun Outdoors in Sugarloaf Key. We stayed here for a week in January of 2025 and had a great time. This is a beautiful resort that backs up to these two lakes that you see. Wonderfully kept grounds, very clean, and overall very happy with our experience here. This is the Tiki Hut and a little food truck that offers appetizers, beer, and other items. Overall, a smaller resort as far as how many sites are available, but they offer premium back-in, they have cabana back-ins, premium pull-throughs, which is the one that we stayed in, and a waterfront back-in spot. These are the premium pull-throughs, these are the back-in cabana spots. The pool was absolutely immaculate, very well kept. Bathrooms, showers, and this was one of our favorite parts here were the aquabanas and the lakes that they had. So as you walk up to the lakes, you can see there are some lounge chairs, hammocks, and even some picnic tables underneath some tiki huts. These are the aquabanas. We did not utilize these because we were there in January and the water was still pretty cold, but a really cool concept and would love to come back here in the summer to utilize these. Honestly, if we were at the resort and not exploring at anywhere else in the Keys, this is where we were, walking around the lake. Didn't do too many water activities because, again, it was a little chilly when we were there, but is a great option that you have. The dog park is well kept, very dog friendly with the dog wash here as well, and the laundry room was clean and tidy as well. This is the front area where it is connected to the laundry room. Not many people there every single time we went, so nice and quiet. Now, as far as things that we did while we were there, we went down to Key West, which is what you're seeing here, and explored. If you have a chance to go to this lighthouse, I definitely recommend doing so. Morning Joint was one of our favorite coffee spots while we were staying there, and this is Mangrove Mama's. It was literally right across the street. Square Grouper is somewhere that we ate lunch at, and it was a hit with everyone that we went with. So I would definitely recommend checking that out if you can get in. If you are going for dinner, I'd recommend making reservations. Obviously, the Florida Keys are just beautiful. Everywhere you drive has beautiful views. We visited the Blue Hole, which is the only body of fresh water in the Keys. Saw an alligator, which is pretty cool. And we also went to Aquarium Encounters in Marathon Key. This was a hit with our 8-year-old son, and he's pretty hard to entertain, so that's saying a lot. But overall, had a great time in the Keys. If you can get out on the water and watch the sunset, I definitely would recommend doing so. But the Sun Outdoors in Sugarloaf Key was a hit. We will definitely be back. Overall, all three of us say this is a 5-star resort.